Hey everyone, welcome back to my craft corner. Today I'm sharing my brand new pop-hearted dog tag keychain housing, fully 3D printed and ready to make professional silicone molds. This design is perfect for resin crafters and DIY dog tag makers. I'm using a 2-part silicone, mixing equal parts A and B 1:1 ratio. It's super easy and gives great detail capture. You guys can use any kind of silicone. Now I'm gently pouring the silicone into the 3D printed housing. This pop-hearted bone design is one of my newest 2026 styles. Clean edges, smooth finish, and really fun to work with. I've just launched my Etsy shop where I share my STL master mold housings so other crafters can make their own molds at home. If you love creating unique dog tags, you'll find this file there. Once cured, the silicone pops right out smooth, flexible, and bubble-free. The housing makes demolding effortless. Now, onto resin casting. I'm pouring a glittery blue resin for the first layer. This raised pop section gives the tag its 3D look. For the second layer, I'm using pink glitter resin. Together, they make a bold, colorful, 2-layer design that really stands out. Just a quick pass with my torch to remove tiny bubbles so the surface cures perfectly clear. This reusable master mold saves silicone, keeps your shapes consistent, and helps you get pro-level results every time. Time to demold. Look how beautiful that came out. The layers pop, the shine is amazing, and every edge is crisp. This colorful 2-layered pop-hearted dog tag is totally customizable. Try any glitter or color combo you like. I'm new to Etsy and super excited to launch my 2026 collection. So if you'd love to make this design, grab the STL file from my shop. It's linked below. Here's that final reveal. Purple, neon green, and pink shimmer. I love how this 2-layer tag turned out. You can make your own too. Just visit my Etsy store and start crafting your custom dog tags today. I'm still new there, so your support means a lot. You can grab this master mold housing STL and start creating your own colorful tags too. I've also created more unique master mold housings like hearted paw shapes, bone tags, and other fun designs for 2026. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting!